For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the idea of telepathic communication. But what if animals have been using it all along? From birds migrating in perfect unison to dogs sensing their owner's emotions, the animal kingdom is full of mysterious behaviors. Could these be signs of an untapped telepathic ability? Scientists are beginning to explore the possibility that animals may communicate through more than just sounds and gestures. Some researchers believe animals use an unseen form of connection, one that goes beyond our understanding of the senses. Imagine a world where animals communicate through thoughts alone. It may sound like science fiction, but some experts say the evidence is mounting. Could we be on the verge of cracking the code of animal telepathy? One of the most famous examples comes from dogs. Many dog owners report that their pets seem to know when they are coming home, even when they return at unexpected times. Research conducted by biologist Rupert Sheldrake suggests that dogs may be responding to a kind of mental signal from their owners. But dogs aren't the only ones displaying telepathic tendencies. Herds of animals move in near-perfect synchronization, as if operating as a single mind. Flocks of birds shift direction instantly, without any visible signals. Schools of fish dart through the water in coordinated movements, evading predators with astonishing precision. How do they do it? Scientists have long believed that subtle cues like body language or sound help animals stay in sync. But what if something else is at play? Electromagnetic fields are one possible explanation. Some animals, like sharks and sea turtles, are known to navigate using Earth's magnetic field. Could other species use similar biological mechanisms to share information? Neuroscientists are beginning to explore the brain activity of animals in group settings. In some studies, researchers have detected synchronized brainwaves between animals engaged in cooperative tasks. Could this be a form of shared thought? If so, it may help explain why some animals react to threats before they are visible. There are also fascinating cases of human-animal telepathy. Some horse trainers claim they can communicate with their animals through mental images. Pet owners often say they can sense what their animals are feeling, even when they're not in the same room. Is this intuition or something more? Telepathic communication could explain why animals sometimes seem to predict natural disasters. Before earthquakes, tsunamis, and storms, animals often display unusual behavior. Dogs whimper, birds flee, and elephants move to higher ground, all before humans detect any danger. One theory suggests animals are picking up on subtle environmental changes. But another possibility is that they are responding to a collective warning signal, transmitted through an unknown form of communication. Could animal telepathy be linked to survival instincts? If so, it might be an ancient ability that humans have simply lost over time. Some indigenous cultures believe in a deep spiritual connection between humans and animals. Shamans and healers throughout history have claimed to communicate with animals through thought alone. Modern science is now taking these ideas more seriously. Using advanced brain imaging, researchers are investigating how animals process information. Some experiments suggest that animals may be capable of sending and receiving mental signals. One of the most astonishing studies involves dolphins. Dolphins are known for their sophisticated communication skills. They use clicks and whistles to share information, but some scientists believe they may also be using a kind of telepathic resonance. MRI scans of dolphins' brains show regions associated with complex thought and high-level problem-solving. Could this be the key to unlocking telepathic abilities? Some believe that elephants, with their deep emotional intelligence and tight social bonds, may also possess a telepathic link. There have been accounts of elephants mourning their dead, communicating distress over long distances, and responding to human emotions in remarkable ways. Could their ability to connect go beyond what we can currently measure? If we can prove that animals have telepathic capabilities, it could change the way we interact with them. Imagine a future where we can communicate with pets without words, or where scientists can decipher the thoughts of wild animals. Breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and neuroscience may soon help us bridge the gap. Already some experiments show promise. By studying neural activity in animals, researchers have begun decoding basic thought patterns. Could technology one day allow us to read animal minds? If so, it would be one of the greatest scientific discoveries of all time. But telepathy isn't just about understanding animals. It could also reveal more about human potential. If animals have retained a form of telepathic connection, could humans relearn it? Some researchers believe we may have lost this ability due to our reliance on spoken language. Others argue that telepathy still exists, but in a more subtle form. For example, studies show that close human relationships often involve a kind of mental connection. Twins frequently report sensing each other's emotions even when they are far apart. Mothers often feel their child's distress before seeing any physical signs. Could these experiences be a remnant of an ancient telepathic ability? Perhaps animals have simply preserved what humans have forgotten. Some researchers have even hypothesized that early human societies may have relied on forms of telepathic communication before language fully evolved. Could we one day uncover genetic markers or neural pathways that prove this? Cracking the code of animal telepathy wouldn't just change our understanding of nature. It could transform our relationship with the world around us. If we can learn to communicate with animals on a deeper level, we might also learn to listen to the planet itself. What if nature has been speaking to us all along and we just haven't been listening? The future of animal telepathy research is filled with endless possibilities. With each new discovery, we move one step closer to understanding the hidden intelligence of the animal world. Perhaps one day we will unlock the mysteries of the animal mind, forever changing the way we view consciousness and connection. Are we on the verge of unlocking one of nature's greatest secrets? The answer may be closer than we think.